In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM web search sources. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a fresh notebook, tell NotebookLM what you're researching, and let it pull in helpful sources from the web, all without any confusion. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. You'll land on the main page where you can create and manage your research spaces. To begin, choose Create Notebook. This sets up a clean workspace where NotebookLM can gather and organize information for you. Once your new notebook opens, you'll see a field where you can type your topic of interest or the specific data you're curious about. This is the most important moment because the clarity of your topic helps NotebookLM find better sources. Think about what you truly want to learn. If your goal is broad, like understanding what's happening right now in artificial intelligence, you might type something like latest trends in AI. That tells NotebookLM you're looking for current developments rather than historical overviews or technical deep dives. After you enter your topic, give it a moment. NotebookLM will work in the background to generate web search sources for you. This can include recent articles, reputable blog posts, research summaries, and timely news items that match your topic. Depending on how wide or narrow your topic is, it might take a few extra seconds, so wait patiently and let the system finish collecting. Broad topics can return a lot of material. Concise topics typically surface more focused results. As the sources appear, you'll notice short previews, titles, and publication details that help you understand what each item covers at a glance. The goal here is to give you a reliable starting point, so you're not sifting through random web pages on your own. If your topic is clearly phrased, you'll usually see up-to-date, relevant items that reflect current conversations around that subject. A quick tip as you type your topic: aim for clarity. Instead of a single word, write a short phrase that reflects your intent. Latest trends in AI tells NotebookLM you're after recent developments. You can also include a time frame or a focus area in your wording if you already have one in mind. The more specific your phrasing, the more targeted the web sources tend to be. That's all there is to it. Go to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, type your topic, and let the web search sources populate. Give it a moment to compile, and you'll have a curated set of materials ready to explore.